When do I start? Okay, here's the deal. We were in the had moved to Salem. You know, we always lived in the country, and so what we did was we decided to sell our house, and I had new gutters put on my house, and I had other issues with my gutters and stuff. We had them replaced. Fred, who came and worked there on my gutters, did a beautiful job. Did things that I didn't need to be done, but he did them anyhow. And I'd say, you know, can you fix this? And yes. And they did it. And it was a lot better than it started, believe me. So everything that they did for us was very good. I mean, they were very good. And they're nice people, okay? Yeah. That's the other thing, nice people. And when they said they were going to be there, they were there on time. Or, you know, or when I first had somebody come over, they were there immediately, never late. I mean, everything that I asked to be done, or they did, without being asked, by the way. A lot of, you know, what do you think about this? They did a great job. Like, you can't say much more than that. And the key to the whole thing was it wasn't one of those where I've been involved before, where they want to come back, you know, or they get there and then at 3 o'clock they want to go home. They worked until the project was done, period. I've already recommended people to 3Rs, okay? We had friends that were doing the same issue, you know. We're not young anymore, you know. And they were going to sell their house, and then they decided, heck, we'll just fix it. And we have other friends like that too. Us, we just wanted to get away. If I was going to build another house, I'd have 3Rs be involved.